get older, we learn to let go of what doesn't serve us. Go with the flow. Slow, slow down. You don't want to fall. You can pay more attention to the beauty of it all. Listen to your elders, they know what to do. Listen to your elders, one day you'll be there too if you're lucky.
In today's episode, nature.
Nature's wonderful. It gives us color.
Trees,
Mountains,
squirrels scurrying about,
swimming in the streams, in the redwoods.
flowers.
My son is called Breeze. I love the idea of having fresh air and swaying, making leaves sway.
How can you not like nature? Nature is everything. The world would not be livable without nature. It's wonderful. It must be protected in any way we can. You are nature too.
Don't forget to stop and smell the flowers.
They don't smell good.
Our community is a garden. It blossoms when it's cared for. Love is the soil. Connection is the water. Our community is a garden. It blossoms when it's cared for. Happiness is the sunlight. The garden nurtures our spirit. Our community is a garden of love, of love. Our community is a garden of love. Our community is a garden of love, of love. Our community is a garden of love. Though we have many differences, like the vegetables in the garden, we all blend together. It gives us variety. We're learning, we're growing, we're planting, we're singing. Our community is a garden. The garden nurtures our spirit. Our community is a garden of love, of love. Our community is a garden of love. Our community is a garden of love, of love. Our community is a garden of love.
Wow, how's that book that you were reading the other night? Are you enjoying it?
Actually, I left it at home.
Uh-oh. Maybe you can call one of the boys. I'm liking being out in this beautiful garden today. Look at these yellow flowers. They're so intense. If these flowers could speak, I wonder what they would say.
Hey, get your nose out of my face.
Who are you?
You're stepping on my roots.
Oh,
Sorry.
Don't just stand there. Give me some water.
okay. Get the water. Can you get some water?
Yeah, I smell good, but you, on the other hand, No! Get out of here.
What a rude flower that was.
Ah,
Why are you so mean?
I'm never speaking to that flower again.
Autumn is crisp, cool, and colorful. The leaves fall like butterflies. In winter, we try not to stay frozen. We turn inward and come together. We connect with family and bring warmth to our hearts. In spring, the flowers wait for drops to come. We are given a sense of new beginnings. In summer, it's hot. We seek water to splash around. It's a joyous time. You hear sounds of crickets chirping and hummingbirds going, "Boo!"
my favorite animal is a tiger.
My favorite animal is a dog.
Panda.
Bird.
Chipmunk.
Pufferfish.
My favorite animal is kangaroo.
My favorite animal is a dog.
Collie that I had many years ago. My baby.
Thief in the middle of the night. Glass breaking, what a fright. Then footsteps down the hall. No time to give the cops a call. Deep within you starts to grow a growl. You let out a doggy howl. Let out the animal in you. Moo! You know what you've gotta do. Arr! Look in the mirror and have no fear. Let your inner animal appear.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack.
You meet someone who's easy to love. Ah, starry-eyed and sent from above. A step towards an engagement ring. It makes your heart want to sing. Thinking about those kisses so sweet. You let out a bluebird. Let out the animal in you. You know what you've gotta do. Rawr. Look in the mirror and have no fear. Let your inner animal appear. Be brave like a lion. Be strong like a bear. Be loyal like a dog. Be quick like a hare. Be beautiful like a butterfly. Be sneaky like a snake. There's a zoo inside of you. Be you for goodness sake. And let out the animal in you. You know what you've gotta do. Look in the mirror and have no fear. Let your inner animal appear.
I love camping. climbing all over with my girlfriends and my boyfriends, and had a great time until the mosquitoes appeared. It was downhill from there. We're all smelling the woods and hearing the sounds of the forest, and then we started noticing that there was a lot of mosquito sounds.
No, 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 no!
And we started noticing we're getting the bites, and then we started almost getting hysterical. This is laughing and oh my God, what are we going to do? And we're trying to get the covers over our heads and tuck them in around our bodies. You hear them. That's the thing about mosquitoes. They don't give up easily. They give their lives for my blood. It was a great experience. Not much sleep, though.
Well, nature is falling. Most people just take it as a given, and it's not a given, and nature has to be preserved.
Take care of nature and our future as if they were, the most important thing in front of us right now.
I won't be here without nature. Nature nurtures me and gives me life. My mother said when I was young, she said if I ever get depressed, sad, or anything, is to look at the flowers, the trees, the plants, the greenery, everything. That's nature. She always loved nature.
Well, nature to me is all of us. We're all in one ecosystem that we all thrive on each other. From the insect all the way up to the most complex human being, everything's connected. So nature is all part of us.
I love Mother Nature.
I want to be part of nature. I want the nature to be part of me.
Blah, 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 blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
Are you sick and tired of sitting inside and watching television all day?
Yes, I am.
Try nature. Nature is fun. It's all natural. It's organic.
I tried nature and I became so happy.
It's green. It keeps us going. It's irreplaceable.
I've tried nature, and now I feel much better.
It's good for the environment. You might see an animal, and it smells good.
Okay, here we go in nature. Whoa, there it is. There it is, right there, right there, right there, right there. Oh, there. Totally.
Warning, spending time in nature is highly addictive. Side effects may include reduction in anxiety, anger, and existential dread. Nature may cause an increased sense of joy, groundedness, inner peace, and a sudden awakening to the oneness of the universe.
I tried nature.
You should try too.
Get vitamin N today.
Off the shelf, let's start living for ourselves. Listen to your